Hello guys, so this is the lecture number 2E on speed, time and distance. Today again I have brought two new problems related to the speed, time and distance. As you have seen that in every lecture I try to bring the problems that are frequently appearing in the competitive examination. So today also you will find two more different problems. And the concept I have already discussed in the part A, means 2.A. So go through it if you have not already. So let's start today's class then. The first problem. In covering a distance of 30 km, John takes 2 hours more than Robert. Okay. So first thing, as I have already said, that we need to picturize the problem. Okay, so distance given means say D given. D is as 30 kilometer. Okay, then John takes 2 hours more than Robert. So question is actually last asking about John's speed. So say consider what? John's speed as say what? X. Okay, X kilometer per hour. Now, if John doubles his speed, means if he is considering this means normal speed, then from the first fact, what we have that 30 divided by means to say that 30 is the distance and that divided by time tx, what we get. So if it is the distance, if it is the speed, then obviously we'll get the time. Okay, so this time is say t, and this time 2 hours more than Robert. So say if Robert takes t hour, then what will be the John's time then? T plus 2, isn't it? It's clearly given that 2 hours more than Robert. If Robert take t hour, then it's going to t plus 2. 30 by x is equal to t plus 2. That is clear to you from the first fact. Then second says that if John doubles his speed, means now distance will be the same, but the speed becomes double, twice x. Then he would take 1 hour less than Robert, means if t is the Robert speed means time, so it will be now t minus 1, 2. Okay, clear? So now what I will do, I will just this is our equation number 1, equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So what we have? 30 by x minus 30 by 2x is equal to t plus 2 minus t minus 1. Clear? So now this means what? T plus 2 minus t plus 1. This t cancels out. In this case, twice x will be the common because x and 2 into x, so twice x comes here. And now 2 into 30, isn't it? Okay, you can take 30 common also, but let me finish this in this way. 30. So x divided by twice x divided by x, 2. So 2 cross 30, and twice x divided by twice x, that is 1. That is 30 into 1. So this is. And now 2 plus 1, that is t. Okay, so let me write it here. Okay, clear? Now, what I can take here? I can take 30 common here, or if you don't want to take, then it is very simple. 2 into 30, how much? 60. 60 minus 30 is how much? We have 30. Now, below we have twice x. And here we have what? 3, isn't it? Now, 2, 15 is 30, isn't it? Then 3, 5 is what? 15. So ultimately, what we have? 5 by x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 5. That is what the question is asking. Question is asking about the zone speed, and we have first suppose that zone speed is x kilometer per hour and we have got x is equal to 5. So zone speed is 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, thereby we have solved the problem. So let me revise the fact again so that you will grasp it better. So first, you always try to focus at what the question is asking. Just read the question one time, then you will get it. So question is asking about zone speed. So consider the zone speed as x kilometer per hour and then try to picturize the problem. Distance given is 30 kilometer. Okay, next comes to the facts given. John takes 2 hours more than Robert. So you know the distance, you know the speed, say as we are supposing x, so 30 by x is the time. If Robert time is t hours, and this is what John's time, so John's time will be 2 hours more, so t plus 2. So that is now equation number 1. Then coming to the fact 2, if John doubles his speed, so the speed will become what? Twice x. So 30 divided by twice x, distance divided by speed, that is the time. Now as the Robert time is t, now it is going to take what? 1 hour less than the Robert time, so that is t minus 1. So that is the equation number 2. Just subtract 2 from 1, so we'll get 30 by x minus 30 by twice x is equal to t plus 2 minus t minus 1. So after going through the simplification, means the part, we'll have what? 5 by x is equal to 1, that is x is equal to 5 kilometer per hour. I hope all these points are clear to you. Okay, so can I move to the next question? Yeah, I heard